Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today, we're going to be creating a meal plan for September 2nd through the 8th. I already did my shopping for the month of September, the first week and a half. So, I'm ready to meal plan and then go prep. So, I'm going to be using stickers from Aesthetic Plans. Her new sticker book. It is so lovely, you guys. I cannot help myself. And I still want a little bit of like the summer side, at least for this one. So I'm gonna be using these florals that are kind of fallish, but kind of summerish as well. So that's what we're doing. This planner is called Cooking 101. It is a meal planner. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing for next year. I did order some extensions from the Happy Planner, so hopefully I'll be able to continue my meal plan the way I'm doing it now, but we shall see. So I'm gonna go ahead and add these stickers in here, and then we'll go ahead and meal plan as always. So if this is your first time joining me, welcome. I hope you like it here. If you have been here before and you are coming back to spend more time with me, thank you so much. And I'm so grateful you're here. So I'm just adding more and more stickers. She has these kind of abstract things in this boho book. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some of those. Like, look at that. Very abstracty. Like, I have circles, and I'm gonna add leaves all around it, so it will make it a little bit more fall than I want to, but I love this book, and I've been looking so forward to using it, so there we go. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add this, kind of like a bookmark, right into the sidebar right here, and I think that looks kind of fun, so Boho Dreams Volume 2, and now we can go ahead and meal plan. So this time I'm just gonna go ahead and not put it in my planner, we'll just do that. So on Monday, all I'm gonna be doing is eating toast, as this weekend I've been sick, so I'm kind of keeping it light, and then hopefully on Tuesday I'll be back to normal. So here we go. So couple hard-boiled eggs for breakfast, black bean soup for lunch, arroz con pollo for dinner. I don't even know if I'm pronouncing that right because I do not speak Spanish, you guys, but that's what I'm hoping. Protein shake on Wednesday. And then I'm gonna make like a wrap with some boiled chicken and then a couple nuts and a couple cheeses, like very light cheeses, and like cucumbers. Hopefully they'll be okay and I'll be back to normal. Coconut chicken curry. I love Indian cuisine. It is something I make quite often. Okay, and then on Thursday, let's do 2 hard-boiled eggs again to keep me full for the morning so I can go ahead and work like a powerhouse at work. Hummus, carrots, tomato, cheese, and salami for lunch, kind of like a bento box. I love making those. Enchiladas in air fryer. So our oven is broken. It has been for like a week and a half. They're coming out to fix it on Friday, so I'm so looking forward to it. Again, 2 hard-boiled eggs on Friday, and then we have service coming. So I'm just gonna probably have like an apple with peanut butter, nothing big, and some nuts. And then leftovers on Friday, because I've been cooking at that point for 3 days straight, so might as well use those leftovers. Hash brown, casserole, and then we're out for the remaining of the day. And then on Sunday, we'll do leftovers from that quiche, and then snacks, and then for dinner, I'll do a sausage and pepper stew, which in Polish it's called lacho. And I make a spicy version of that. So yeah, that's my meal plan for the week. I think that turned out really, really good. and I've been keeping to it, so we'll see how it goes. I'm gonna add a couple individual flowers throughout to make me happy. But yeah, I really do enjoy making these meal plans and then not thinking about what we're eating every day. It helps a lot. Okay, and then I can go ahead and add a couple leaves throughout since this turned out into a fall spread anyway. And then we'll move on to my wellness. Heads up, my wellness planner is called Celestial Elegance. I did change it in July, so it's now dated correctly and I don't have to redate it. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and create a spread in there in just a second. Same week, by the way. Okay, so a couple more things. I want to just add these little tiny like triangles throughout. Like I said, she has a lot of like abstract, fun, geometrical elements, and I thought I'll just add them in my spread and make it a lot of fun because sometimes I like making something different. So there we go. This is the spread. I love it. I hope you guys love it. And now it's time for the wellness. So this is my monthly if you haven't seen it. And I'm going to be using a sheet from Crafty Planner Queen called Work From Home. Okay, so I'm just making dots, breakfast, lunch, dinner, or snack. And then meds, mood, sleep, and steps. So that's going to keep me on track. And then here we go. Her stickers are simply stunning. Look at these girls. I just love them. So they're gonna be on both sides. I don't know why they have takeout coffee when they're working from home. I've been making so much matcha at home, you guys. Oh yeah, and it's WFH, work from home. But yeah, I've been making so much matcha at home. I am obsessed. If you guys are a matcha lover, let me know down below and let me know what brand of matcha you like to use. But yes, I've been drinking a ton of that. So very home friendly. I'm just gonna keep adding all of these little things in here until we're done. But yeah, her stickers are so stunning. So let me know what you guys think. If you guys want to purchase stuff from her, you can use Kasha15, so KASIA15 to purchase stickers. She has now both tangible and printable. I am a much of the printable club since I love printing my stickers and just having them when I need them. But yeah, this is pretty much all I have for you guys. Let me know what you think, and I'll see you guys next week for more fun. But this is what I'm gonna be doing this week in my planner. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about this spread and what you think about my meal plan. And I'll see you guys soon for another video. Thanks for watching. Bye.